I had to put some oats, using my two hands. So the ingredient is Hey guys, me again, Zach Ransing, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, guys, we're about to cook tuna omelette, or we call it torta in Tagalog. So the first ingredient is, of course, we have tuna, and also we have here onion. I'm gonna put onion, guys. Then after that, maybe added some salt and other things, and also some bitchin if you like, guys. So now, what I did, I just drain it into the strainer, and after that I had to put it one. I had to put a here. Yeah, this is two, guys. So I just it's gonna be like it's your one. It's so like the chop this the tuna, guys. It's not good, but well, anyway, we had to drain it, and as you can see here the water. And after that I had to chop the onion as well, and maybe I can put some garlic, some bitchin, guys. So later I'm gonna show you how I cook it, guys. So stay on my YouTube channel. So this is the loot, guys. You gotta put like onion, and also I put some ginger in it, and also I gotta put the chip egg for the dough. Also there I gotta show you the. So since I didn't have a flour, guys, I'm gonna add some oats for it. So I had to put some oats, using my two hands. So the ingredient is onion, garlic, ginger, eggs, of course, and salt to taste, and whatever you want to, guys. So yeah, that's it. Sana all like this. So suddenly, guys, we have the omelette. So yeah, we have this kind of saute, just like that, So this is the saute tuna, and look at the area. Oh my god! So let's go eat, guys. Jan, the main ingredient is oats.